Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Learn MuleSoft series. Today we will learn how we can start work on MuleSoft project and what kind of prerequisite we have required to install on our desktop, on our laptop. So first, in order to learn MuleSoft, first we have to install MuleSoft Anypoint Studio. So what is that? Anypoint Studio is Java-based framework, Java-based tool, and it is free of cost. So you have to go on Google and just right here download Anypoint Studio for Mule and MuleSoft Anypoint download Studio. So first link will come up. So click over here into the first link. It will redirect you MuleSoft screen. So here you can select the operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux according to your category, according to your operating system. After click on agree and download. So it will download a zip file for you over here like this way. Let me show you. I have already downloaded, that's why I'm not going to download it. So like this kind of zip file it will download here. Anypoint Studio 7.6. 7.6 is the version, and after extracting it, right click over here and extract it. After extracting it, this folder comes like this way. Go into the folder Anypoint Studio. Then there is the one image with exe application Anypoint Studio. Double click over here and launch it. After launching the Anypoint Studio, so Anypoint Studio look like this way. Okay, so this is the Anypoint Studio basically. Over here you can look files. In files you can create new project from MuleSoft project. Select it, and there is many options. We will learn these options in next videos. So today only we our agenda is that how we can start work on MuleSoft project. And here is Mu palette. Mu palette it means there is the tools, there is the many controls which we can use in our MuleSoft solution. So basically what kind of application we can create from the MuleSoft application. So only we can create uh, like APIs through the MuleSoft application. We can integrate our application with many other applications like Salesforce, Workday. There are a lot of things you can ServiceNow tickets, ServiceNow. So there is many kind of things. So if suppose you have many APIs in different environment, different domain. So those API you can consume in a one platform, and you can create a single web API. So like this way we can go with it. If suppose I want to create a new project, so click over here, create new, and create a new MuleSoft project. So it will create. I will click over here, then it will create like this of demo one project. I already created this project, so it will create like this kind of projects. So over here is some Java based already, uh, Java based resources already. There is some Java files also, and some. So in this project we can, this is demo.o. Actually I was writing here 2 demo 2. So demo 2.xml here. This is the main flow file. Here we will write the code. Also we can create multiple files of XML here according to our flows. And here is also test environment, source.test.munit. So we can create also test cases here for check the our flows. So basically this is the overall picture, and like this way we can create our MuleSoft project. Thank you.